welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a everyday makeup routine. So this is the makeup look that I decided to do today. This was a requested video from a couple of you guys, so here it is. This is something that I do pretty much almost every day when I do decide to wear makeup. I don't really wear makeup every day, but when I do decide to get a little bit dazzled up, this is the look I normally go for. If you guys are interested in how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, send this video up, and comment. I also want to say thank you guys so much for all the love my last video, which was a sneaker haul collection. That's up to like 600 views right now. I definitely gained like over 20 subscribers just from that video, and I do appreciate that. Hope you guys enjoy. Sorry if my hair is like super messy. I'm gonna do it right after. So first things first, that is like the key to this look is moisturization. So I like to go in with the Van Eye cream moisturizer. This is like my absolute favorite. Like, I've been using it for like over a year now, and it just leaves my skin super moisturized. And then I also like to go in with bio oil. So I like to just put a little bit on my cheeks, and then the extra I just put on my forehead. So I'm gonna brush everything up. So got this off of Shein. It says highbrow shaping wax. Gel everything in place, if that makes sense. So we're gonna brush everything up so we can have that nice sleek eyebrows. Okay, so this is how they look. Next things we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with this tinted moisturizer from Fit Me. I'm gonna use this brush from Baking. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Blend that in with the brush, and then I'll go in with the beauty blender after. This gives me like a, it's not full coverage, it's light coverage, but it does just gives me like a even skin complexion. So this brush is a little wet because I washed all my brushes today, so I feel like my makeup's gonna look super glowy today. I normally use this, but this is super wet because I washed it. Like, look how big it is. So I'm just gonna go in with I'll probably go in with this one. It's a little more looser than this one. I'm just gonna pat everything in. So this is how it looks with just the tinted moisturizer. Once again, this is the Fit Me tinted moisturizer, which I really do recommend. I feel like this just gives the cutest, cleanest look. It's just the Radiant Cream Concealer from Neutrogena. We're gonna go in with this next. I got this from Walmart. I do a little bit here, and then like here. Huh? Oh, I'm on the phone with my boyfriend, so I thought he was saying something to me. So I like to just do a little bit at the bottoms, like that. And then as far as the inner corner, I'm not supposed to put in the inner corner. I kind of messed up. But we're going to go in with our Tarte concealer. And we're just going to put that right in the inner corner. We're going to let that sit in our face for a second. And before we blend it out, we need to get our setting powder like ready. So the setting powder I normally use is the L'Oreal True Match powder, and then I also use Morphe setting powder, which I'm gonna go grab right now. I personally like to mix both of the powders, get a better finish that way. So we're gonna get a, normally I would use a beauty blender, but what am I gonna use now? So we're gonna get this, I guess, and everything but the Tarte. So blend everything up and leave the Tarte still sitting there. So that's how it is blended in. We're going to leave this right here still. And then we're going to do the same thing, blend everything up. Inner corner of that. Sorry, when you're doing this, you're not really supposed to talk, because if you talk, then you might just like crease the concealer. So that's why I was like this forever. But yeah, you're gonna let that sit, And then what I like to do, the one with color, and I like to put that on top. So while that's baking, next I like to go in with my Fenty bronzer. This is the Cocoa Naughty one.
I'm gonna call you back.
Okay. Bye, love you.
I love you too.
And we're just gonna put it all right here. Just to like warm our face up. So we're just gonna do a little bit at the bottom just to bronze our face. Okay, so that's that. But now we're gonna grab our fluffy brush, the BH Cosmetics brush from Ulta, and we're just gonna like basically wipe all that powder off. I like to hold it at the very end because it's like more, it's loose when you hold it at the end. Like when you hold it more here, you're like gonna be dragging all the makeup off. We're almost done. We're gonna go in blush. I normally like to use Cheeky. I'm gonna put on my hands first just because this is like so freaking pigmented. So we're gonna do that, and I usually grab like a Q-tip and just do dots because this thing is so pigmented. Okay, so now I like to go on my finger with this just because I feel like it looks better. So I like to just blend it out with my finger. Next, we're just gonna do our lips, which is very easy. What I like to do is I like to use a brown lip liner, and I just put a little bit on my lips, blend it in. This Fenty Cream lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow, and I just put this right on top. Okay guys, so that brings it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the final makeup look. I did my hair and I'm just wearing this cute top. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.